This is our $1,500 trading challenge account. Okay, so we're down $13. Here's our key entry right here. Dang, down 40 bucks in the account. Like they're giving this to me in Spanish. You almost think I was in Mexico. Okay, so back to this trading. So we did take this, and here is our entry. Let's just be fair. Entry was 12585. And our stop is 9850. Boom. Let's get it below this, actually. I'm going to get it to, let's just go to, right, let's get 2 lower wicks just below this one right there. So let's change this up. So 98185. Lose $116. Should I lose this? Messed up on my risk to reward here. I'm actually risking a little bit more than normal, but I do believe order flow is bullish on this. And just give a show right quick. All right, here we have key. Oops, I'm sorry, this is the wrong thing. Boom, there we go. Sorry about that. Look at this CVD. Look at this delta. Oh my goodness. Just beautiful. Crazy nice imbalances here. And yes, we did have look at this V. Where's this VWAP at? 94959. That would actually be, dang, it's too far away. Oh well, we're gonna stay with our plan right here. And just to show, well, I think there's further up to come. Going to the daily. Let's go ahead and zoom out right here. I can't remember. This is the chart. This is the chart right here. Boom. Global value area high. By the way, this coin's been in business since 2018. Yes, I'm on the Bitcoin chart. Don't want to get too much in detail about that. If you're trading altcoins, you need to be charting to the strength of Bitcoin. Anyways, so we have this fib pull. CC high down to this low right here. Excuse me, right there. So we have, this is our prime retracement zone right in between the value area high, which is, I love this. A lot of people like to align the CC with it. I love to have a range in between this. So we essentially have 3 levels of resistance that we're going through right there. So this is going to be where I am, believe we will stop at. That's it's 40% away on the Bitcoin pair. If you want to look at this on Key's historical pair, okay, it's on Binance, by the way. Let's zoom all the way back out. You're going to see value high for this is actually 11%. It is now, let me do this. Let's get real with it. Get accurate. 14% away. Earlier it was right around 15. So that's what I'm predicting. So we had a rotation to this upside. Like you said, value high, that's what it does. It's like ping pong. We go through this. We're expecting the top of this failed rotation. We're coming back down. Big deviation here. This is just taking account of the whole range. We can also set this smaller. Okay, and it's not always perfect. And but essentially, this would be the range I would put right here for here. So like you said, this is where I predicted it would be at its top. Oops, wrong thing. Let's go back to right here. Boom. So here, let's see if we can get this confluence with this fib level. Go a little bit higher time frame for a second. And look how beautiful. Swear to God, I did not rehearse this or practice this. I just know the levels, that fib levels. I know my anchor points. This is the prime anchor point. This one's already been done. We ran through this. This will be our next one, but it essentially is the range top. So same thing. We're not looking at this point here. Most people would think this would be it, but this is the point that sticks out to me right there. Should we lose this, which looks like really strong confluence there? Once we get to the top of this, I would personally be shorting this. I'd be really surprised if we broke through this. If we did break through this, I look to my next point here for some confluence, taking into account that we had this volume range. And I just would like to assess this solo. So we have this, it may not be a little clear. So the blue line, yes, beautiful. See our value are low right here in blue for this area volume. And let's take a look at this volume for a second. Let's increase this. Ooh, too much. Maybe not too much. Okay. Yes. So we have this value area. It's hard to see that blue line, but it's right there. I can assure you. See it? Coincides with this top directly. And why do you guys think that is? I mean, it's pretty easy to say. This was a strong support resistance level. Okay? And you can do this all day. I wouldn't really necessarily analyze this one. I guess you could, in a way. Yeah. So the point of control for this range, for this little cluster of volume, these 3 weeks, is the top of the 6-6. This would be my next target. Right there. So, and actually, I'm incorrect here. We have to move this bottom down to its low right here. Okay. The only reason we had it over here was because we were targeting this top. Remember, left to right. So, dang, I'm dropping some knowledge today, boy. You need to pay me for this, son. I'm just kidding. I do this out of love. Just to clarify, we had our fib pull right here. We were using this low because we always want to use the lowest low to our right when looking for these resistances. The only thing that interchanges is our first click. So, bearing in mind that we have to come up here to this high, this is no longer our lowest low anymore. This is our lowest low. Okay, so I'm just going to target that. And let's see. Okay, and that does pan out just in a sense right here. But that, beautiful. We have in between from here, from the top of this 6-6, we have this value area high. Value area low. And this range, point of control. Okay. And that's 3 nice confluences right there. You want to throw in a third. We also have a weekly level right here. It has been tapped, I will say. Okay, so let's add this weekly. Perfectly aligned with the 6-6. I'm going to delete this fib level, by the way, real quick. Okay, there's our weekly level. All right, that's 4 confluences. If that doesn't tell you to short that, then you're just not using your brain. So, yeah, I believe we have this much further to go. Let's see what happens. And one last time right quick. Yeah, look, we're moving back up. Let's see what we're on for in this video. Nice. Okay. Up $24. So the plan is in motion for higher up. Now at 30. Really volatile on 3X over here. Let's see what our account's at. Almost 1,500 again. Yeah. We were. So I had this account at 5,000. Then I brought it to almost nine grand, you know. And to be fair, it's just, I'm going to be totally honest with you guys. Not many people are trading with 5 grand. If y'all are, they're probably not really talking about it. They don't want people to know. So either way, yeah, the chart champion's going on here. This is Severance scalping strategy. Pretty in depth here. So I was studying that. But yeah, so I got away from the 5 grand. And I just threw it in my spot account, and this is all I have in this derivatives account right here. I decided to start with $1,500, a reasonable figure that people trade with. So I would like to build this at $10,000 in real time. So yeah, that's what we're working at. Did lose $200 in that last trade, so we're back to almost square one here. So wins and losses, guys, wins and losses, and so I have to have better risk management than that. I was risking entirely too much. Based off the order flow. But anywho, This has been a lot longer than I wanted it to, but dropped a lot of knowledge here. Trading with Tyler. I'm out.